kanti inkinga yakho ye?
Hayi kusho ukuthi wena ufuna ukulwa nami ke. Ungalingi ubeke imiconjwana yakho la.
Alright. Hayi, strata sikhona.
So wena Lebo uthandana naye lo muntu lo?
Yeah.
Wow. But now you can tell ukuthi this is the real partner. So why don't you ask your partner or who is this person? Awuna ndaba wena. As long as uthola into oyifunayo.
Inkinga yakhe ukuthi akazani naye uzwana nami. Ungitshela ukuthi ufuna ukumlahla lo ukuthi bekasaba ukumtshela, usaba ukumfihla.
Nesikhathi esingakanani nizwana?
Okutshelile. Okay.
Ungitshelile.
Bana lesikhathi sesigayi lejola.
Wemele ngikuexplainele kuwe.
Okay, nikeza uthappy phone. Nikeza uthappy phone.
Akasakufuni.
Alright, hayi ke umtshele nami angisamfuni right. Right. Yeah, uhlala naye.
Ngihang up. Should I hang up? Wow.
Watina
Ufila jo?
It's fine. Bana bangata plenty.
And ngihale Waro banana bangata as if it's easy to get a man.
It's not easy. Kore nje wantena kwatile.
Like it can take you how long to get a man?
Not so long.
Like how many days?
2 weeks. Yeah.
Oh, it's too long.
It's not long for me. It's not long.
Okay, so you were suspecting what cheating. And now you got the result.
Yeah. Today. Zakala.
So since I joined Alindo Mazana, nake advice don't try to get your man back. Just let go, cause otherwise if you force never rat. So rather move on. Mara, maybe take a break. Should we organize you a counseling?
No, it's sharp.
Oh sure.
Yeah.
Okay. Any advice to people who are watching?
Yo guys, mamelane, umjolo is scam. Themba umuntu wakho, hlala naye njalo. Be open and loyal to him. Or yena girl, yena lo, yabo. Nibe sharp, stay strong. Izinto eziso uyaphuma nje kuzo cut.
Cut and cut.
Cut nje.
This is Lily Faunola from CMTV. Don't forget to subscribe. This is the end of the episode. Thank you guys for watching. We appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't go.